In this video, we're going to talk about some additional ways that you can earn an income as a freelancer online. We're going to go over a few more services that you can offer to website business owners or other business owners through the internet so that you can start and grow your freelance business online. Some additional services to consider that you can offer are graphics and website design. This is another common form of freelancing that people do. You can build mini sites for people, so like the mini sales pages that you see all over the web, selling information types products. You could build those for people. You could build, put those together. You can upload them for people. You can do, basic tasks. Even if you're not a graphic designer, some people lump website design into being able to work a template. So if somebody says I've got a squeeze page template and I need help getting it uploaded to my server, that could kind of fall under this website category. A lot of people don't even know how to do basic FTP functions, using FileZilla that many people know how to do. So even just simple things like that, like setting up a squeeze page or doing whole graphics for a mini site, you can make really good money doing mini websites alone. Another thing people will pay good money for is logos, whether it's logo covers for ebooks or e-covers, or if it's just business logos, or if it's just a logo for just a website in general. You can make good money just creating logos. And you could take courses online in Photoshop, for example. So you could look up Photoshop courses and just use the software and keep using it, and you're going to get to where you get really good at it. Just like anything else you do online, the more you spend time on it and learn it, you can become effective at it. So if you can become good with graphics, you can make a really good side income. Even if you don't already know how to do graphics, you could easily get Photoshop tutorials, learn all you can about Photoshop, and then become, a graphics guru and create your own high quality graphics. You could also do blog design, so like WordPress redesigns. That's a great field, and that's something that's just going to continue to grow as more people go online, just because more and more people are learning how to use WordPress. So you could create blog designs for people. That's another tremendous service that you could potentially offer freelancing. You could do graphics for ebooks, so this would include like ebook covers. This might include like CD covers, DVD covers, anything you see, software package covers. You can create those, and like said above, if you want to learn how to do those, you could study Photoshop. You can study a lot of online tutorials on how to create these e-covers, and you can also find action scripts to create them, so that you basically just follow a few basic steps that you do, and if you're good enough and the graphic looks good, people will pay you again and again for it. Creating e-covers, just takes a little bit of creativity, but it takes some practice. So you definitely don't want to sell your services if you're not great at it, but it's something that you can learn even if you aren't the best graphic designer in the world. Some other things we've got, programming is another major category for freelance work. Some things to consider with programming would include things such as website shopping carts. So maybe somebody's looking to have an entire so maybe somebody with a website shopping cart might need your help customizing OS Commerce or a solution like that. They might need help creating their own internet-based shopping cart. So you could actually design and build that for them, or you could take an open source solution and work on that. Now, this is a little more in depth because not everybody is cut out to be a programmer, but this is just for those that might be, that you can actually sell your services at a pretty good rate for this kind of work. Other things might be, JavaScript, special little, actions on websites. If you're good at Flash, to create short little Flash, designs. And then basically software applications. There's a lot of marketers that will pay for software applications to be created. So if you are good at creating software and you understand software, there are marketers that have ideas, and they need your help to create the software to carry out those ideas. So if you can develop software applications under different platforms, you can make good money as a freelancer.